In this video, I'm going to show you how you can invite guests into Notion. As you can see right now, I am in Notion. This is how it looks like. And if I want to add someone to this, what you want to do, you want to go to the top to share, and here you can say share to the web so that it's basically online with that anyone can see it, or just add specific people. You can do that through a link, or you can also do that through their email address. So if they haven't created the Notion account yet, make sure to tell them that they have to do that. You can enter in their email right here, so their mail at gmail.com, just an example. And then you can basically set a role, full access, edit, can comment, or can view. So let's set it to can view alone, and then we can see we have invited them. Now they can accept it through their email and invite and access to the board. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.